Okay. Has everybody got it all pulled up?
I got it.
I'm just getting there.
Did everyone open the quiz yet?
I haven't opened the quiz.
Okay, I've got it open.
Mine's loading. Okay, mine pulled up.
I'm up.
Okay, we all ready?
Mm-hmm. Okay, I'll start. Question number 3. Use the normal probability applet to find the combined area under the standard normal curve that is to the right of z equals 1.358 and to the left of z equals negative 1.358. Round your answer to 3 decimal places.
Okay, what'd you get? Did everyone find the applet?
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm.
What'd you guys get?
175.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, that's what I got.
Perfect.
Yep. All right. My computer's just running really slow right now.
Shoot.
Okay, 4. Which of the following will have a similar standard deviation if 9 observations are randomly drawn from a population? It's the sample mean, right?
Well, when you find the deviation of it, when you have the specific number, you have to divide that standard deviation by the square root of the 9. I don't know. I'm like, that's probably not going to be. I'm not sure if it's going to be that one or if it's going to be the distribution of the individual observations. Oh, it says which one will have a smaller standard deviation. I think it'll be. Wait, so the sample means the 9, or is it specifically talking to the whole group?
I think it's the 9.
Okay, perfect. Okay.
So the distribution of sample means is what we're thinking.
Yeah. That was kind of a weird question.
Okay.
Question 5. Which of the following results implies that the spread in X decreases as the sample increases? Distribution, the 68, 95, 99.7 rule, the central limit theorem of the law of large numbers. What do you guys think?
Well, I'm trying to look it up. From what's this? What?
68, 95, 99.7 rule.
No.
All large numbers, because the central limit theorem, the bigger the numbers, the more normal the distribution. Then the normal distribution and the central law limit theorem kind of cancel each other out because you can't select both of them.
That's true.
That's the best guess I can give.
Okay, I think it's that one too.
Yeah, law of large numbers.
Yep.
All right, hopefully it's right.
We all agree on that one?
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Okay. Scores on the quantitative portion of the GRE are approximately normally distributed with a mean of 150.8 and a standard deviation of 8.8. Diane earned a score of 160 on the quantitative portion of the GRE. What is the z-score corresponding to Diane's score? Round your answer to 3 decimal places.
Is it 1.045?
That's what I got.
I'm still trying to pull it up on my calculator, but I'm sure that's right.
What did you get?
1.045.
I got something different, but I think I typed it in wrong.
We can try it again to make sure it's right.
Well, no.
Make sure you're doing parentheses.
Yeah.
Because I did that a few times. So I did chapter 6 homework and the prep for 7.
Oh, yeah.
I wouldn't do parentheses and I got it wrong.
Yep, that's what I got.
1.045?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah.
About that.
Sweet. Okay. Number 7, what is the probability that a randomly selected student will score 160? Wait, is that the one we just did?
Nope, number 7.
Okay. What's the probability that a randomly selected student will score above 160 on the quantitative portion of the GRE? Above. Is it 0.148?
That's what I got.
I trust you guys. My computer's running really slow right now.
How did you get that?
So you take the z-score for 160, which we figured out in problem 6, and then you put the z-score in the applet, and then you highlight to the right of
Oh, okay.
of the positive z-score.
There you go. Okay, thanks.
Yeah.
All right. Question 8. A random sample of 5 students was selected to take the GRE. Their scores are 160, 175, 163, 149, and 153. What is the z-score corresponding to the sample mean of these student scores?
Okay. I don't know how to do this one.
Yeah, I was thinking the same thing. I was gonna find like the average, and then it ends up being 160. So if you subtract the 160 from it, it's just 0. So like,
Yeah, I tried doing the average of their scores too.
okay. Oh, just kidding. So their mean is 150.8. Like so we do 160. So it'd be 160. If you find the average, it's 160, and then their mean is 150.8. So we could try doing that, but it's not multiple choice, so we don't know if that's right. That's a bummer. I'm gonna try looking up in the textbook real quick.
So don't you take the mean and then you divide it by the standard deviation?
Yes. Well, it's like x minus the mean.
Yeah.
Right. We're trying to find x.
Wait, we're trying to solve.
Right? Because we have to figure out what to put in for x so that we can find the z-score.
Yes. I thought you were talking about like in the whole equation.
Oh, no.
Oh, yeah, that's correct.
So the mean is 160.
Mhm. And the overall
We have to
mean
find,
is 150.8.
okay.
Okay. Wouldn't the z-score be the same as it was earlier?
Well, you have to divide it by instead of dividing it just by 8.8, you divide it by 8.8 divided by the square root of 5 because there's only 5 people.
Oh.
I guess a little bit
So
more
what'd you
routine. So it'll be 160 minus 150.8
Yep.
divided by 8.8 divided by the square root of 5. That's the correct.
What'd you get?
This is, I'm plugging in right now.
Okay. I got 233. Wait, how far are we going? How many decimals? 3?
Oh yeah.
I got 2338.
Wow, I should think I'm a little bit of mine. Did you get a
What'd you
whole
get?
number or a decimal?
I got a
I got,
decimal.
yeah, 2.338.
Okay, that's what I got too.
Okay.
Okay, well that's not what I got. So
What did you do, Alex?
tell me what you guys did.
So I did 160 minus 150.8, which equals 9.2. And then
Yep.
I did 8.8 divided by the square root of 5, which equals approximately 3.9357. And then I did 9.2 divided by 3.9357 for my calculators to arrange these all at once.
Okay. I think you're right. I did it all together instead of doing it in two separate
Yeah, I did all together.
ones, which I messed up on. So you got 2.708.
2.338.
Okay. 2.338.
I hope that's right. Okay, number 9. What is the probability that 5 randomly selected students will have a mean score that is greater than the mean achieved by the students in the previous problem?
Should you plug our score in?
I think so. Would it be 0.0097?
Well, we have to round. Yes. I guess so.
So it'd
I like
be
it when it does all.
0.010?
I think it's 9. It says 4 decimals for this one, so 9.7.
Oh, it does. 4. Okay, yeah.
We did those two right if we had like that.
You said 0.0097?
Yes. I think. Because I plugged it into the applet.
Yep. Okay.
So good. Okay, question 10. Suppose the mean GPA of BYU Idaho students is 3.5 and the standard deviation is 0.7. It is well known that this distribution is left skewed. A random sample of n equals 81 students will be drawn. What is the shape of the sampling distribution of the random variable x, which represents the sample mean of the 81 students who are selected?
Wouldn't it be normal since it's a big sample size?
I would say yes, but
I don't know because it said that a random sample of 81 students will be drawn. And if it's over 30, then I say it is normal. But I guess let's go with normal, and then if we have to, we can retake the quiz.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
okay, so we're going with normal.
Yes.
Yes.
Cool beans. What is the mean of the distribution of the sampling distribution for all possible samples of size 81 that can be drawn from the parent population? Round your answer to 1 decimal place.
So it would be 3.5.
What did you do to get that?
I looked back at the information.
Oh.
I mean, that's the mean.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Okay, yeah. I get what you're saying.
All right. What is the standard deviation of the distribution of the sample means for all possible samples of size 81 that could be drawn from the parent population?
Well, the standard deviation is 0.7.
We would do it divided by the square root of 81 though, since that's how big the sample size is.
Yeah.
Okay.
0.777777.
Alright, so three numbers, 0, 4078.
Yeah.
What'd you get?
0.078.
And how'd you get that?
We did the standard deviation from the given and divided it by the square root of the sample size, 81.
81, that's right. Okay. Just wanted to make sure we did it right.
Yeah. Okay. 13. What is the probability that the mean GPA for 81 randomly selected BYU Idaho students will be less than 3.3? Oh, not very likely. Oh, wait.
4 is 2.575. Negative.
Did you get 0.9995?
No. Can I do it right?
I don't know. I just put it
Regular.
in the applet, so I don't know if I did it right.
So less than 3.3. So the z-score I got was negative 2.57. So I did to the left of the negative one.
You're so right. Yeah.
It's very little.
Because I just put. Wait, what'd you get?
0.005.
So what'd you put as your z-score?
Negative 2.571.
Wouldn't. No, you're right. Never mind. Just kidding.
If it's not right, you got like a totally fine. I'm just like,
No, you were right. I got confused. I was like, wait, wouldn't it go after the positive number since 3.3 is positive? But no, the z-score was negative, so it'd go after the negative number.
that makes sense.
Okay, are we right? Everyone got that?
Yeah, 0.005 is what I got.
Yep, that's what I got.
Okay.
Great.
Okay, what is the probability that the mean GPA for 81 randomly selected BYU Idaho students will be greater than 3.3?
So,
Excuse me.
Would that be 0.9949? So 0.995?
Yep, that's what I got.
Yep.
Sweet.
Right. Question 15. The United States Coast Guard assumes the mean weight of passengers in commercial boats is 185 pounds. The previous value was lower, but was raised after a tragic boat accident. The standard deviation of passenger weights is 26.7 pounds. The weights of a random sample of 48 commercial boat passengers were recorded. The sample mean was determined to be 177.6 pounds. Find the probability that a random sample of passengers will have a weight that is as extreme or more extreme than was observed in this sample. Note, as extreme or more extreme means that we are not only interested in values that are lower than the ones we observed, but also values that are as far away from the mean as ours in the positive direction.
Okay. Passengers have a weight that is as extreme or more extreme. Okay, so you think about 177.
I don't get the question, like what it's asking us to find.
I don't get it either.
So I don't know what numbers you're supposed to use for your z-score. Maybe 177.6. So probably 177.6 minus 185 divided by 26. Left of that is the probability. That's like the best I got.
Sounds good.
So you did 177.6 minus 185.
Yeah, divided by
26.7.
Yeah, well, that's what I'm about to do my calculator.
Got negative 0.27751.
And we'll put that in.
Would we also divide by the square root of 49?
Oh, yeah. Well, 48.
Yeah. What did I say? I meant 48.
Yep, thank you. Otherwise, we got a really wrong number. Yay for group quizzes.
I know.
So not, okay, get it wrong.
You take the negative 0.2271 and divide that by the square root of 48.
Well, you have to divide the 26.7 divided by the square root of 8.
Yeah, that whole equation.
So, okay, wait. So when I did the standard or the z-score, I got negative 1.9214017. So I plugged it in as the z-score in the applet, and then would I highlight everything to the right
Yeah.
of that?
Yeah, it should
Okay.
be.
Okay, so I did that, and I got 0.9726.
So 0.973.
Yeah.
Wait, what'd you
I
get?
hope that's right. 0.973. Does everyone agree? Anyone got
I
a
agree
different
with
answer?
I agree with you. I believe you.
Okay.
That's hard to do that question.
Are you ready to submit?
Let's do it.
Yeah.
Uh, I missed the last one.
Do we know how to do it any better?
No, I missed the last one too.
I have no idea how to do it.
Yeah, I don't know how to do that at all. I don't know what extremes are.
Yeah.
Are you guys okay with the 94?
Mm-hmm.
I don't know how we're gonna.
Yeah,
I'm good.
Oh, I'm gonna search.
I'll accept it. Well, cause like I don't know. Unless we figure this out, because if we redo it right now, it'll just be the same thing. Because I have no clue what to do.
We can look. We can always look in the when we're doing like the homework assignment. If we figure out how to do it, we can tell each other that we can fix it. But otherwise, I say we leave it.
Yeah. Okay,
This is only 1 point instead of 2.
There you
Yeah.
go.
that's true.
All right.
Yeah, we'll leave it for now, but if anyone finds out, and I'll see if I can find it.
Okay. Awesome.
All
Hey,
right. Thank you.
team. You guys are great.
You guys are great. Okay, guys. Have a good one.
See you next
You
week.
too.
Okay, bye.
Bye.